Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Cryptomator password not working step by step. If Cryptomator keeps rejecting your password, the issue is usually caused by a typing mistake, keyboard settings, an outdated app version, or using the wrong vault password. So let's get started. First, carefully re-enter your vault password. Check that caps lock is turned off, verify your keyboard layout is correct, and make sure there aren't any extra spaces before or after the password. Remember, Cryptomator passwords are case-sensitive, so every character must match exactly. Next, try typing your password into a plain text editor like Notepad, then compare it with what you expect. Yeah, this can help you spot keyboard issues, unexpected characters, or an incorrect keyboard language before copying the password into Cryptomator. If you store your password in a password manager, copy and paste it directly into Cryptomator. This reduces the chance of typing errors and ensures you're using the exact password you originally created for the vault. You should also make sure you're opening the correct vault and using the latest version of Cryptomator. If the vault was restored from a backup or moved to another computer, verify that all vault files are present and haven't been modified. If your vault is stored in a cloud service like Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox, wait until synchronization is fully complete before trying again. Incomplete downloads or sync conflicts can sometimes cause unexpected access problems. Finally, if you've genuinely forgotten your vault password, keep in mind that Cryptomator cannot reset or recover it because of its zero-knowledge encryption design. If you have a backup of your files or the original password saved in a password manager, use those to regain access. And that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix a Cryptomator password that's not working and safely troubleshoot access to your encrypted vault. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next